Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a table to your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, sadly, there is currently no way to add a table within Squarespace in its integrated sense. There are no Squarespace tables available, and I'm not sure why that is, but that's simply the way that they made the editor. So it is currently a limitation, which I hope they change soon. Now, what you're going to want to do to add a table through other means is to click on edit on the page where you want to add it. I'll add a blank section over here just to make it easier on myself. Click save, and now in this section we're going to add a block, and we're going to go ahead and add a code block. Now I'm going to go ahead and make this bigger just to compensate for the table size, and here you're going to click on this pencil, and then you're going to create a table in HTML. Now, I am very rusty in HTML. I don't remember how you can create tables. It's not that hard, really. You just need to make three separate pieces of, or three separate columns, and then just add text to each column separately, separate them with a line or whatever you want. And then once you're done with that, you can just save it, and that should be it. Now, as you can see, currently the code is only hello world, but you can just find some HTML code for a page or for a table if you want to. And then once you're done with that, if you want to match the look to the rest of the site, go into your pages menu, scroll all the way down, go to website tools, click on custom CSS, and add custom CSS code for your table. And that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.